see the shine, but they never saw the dark nights. Said I got it easy, guess they never saw the real fights. Put a price on my ambition, hope they got the funds right. Cause I ain't selling out my vision, not for any sunlight. Never, gotta stay solo for a minute, they can't read my mind now. Running my own race, yeah, I'm leaving them behind now. And I show up to the function, so they know I'm still here. All that talk is just some static, I can't even feel fear. And I'm too real for it. The dirt they threw on my name just made a garden grow. I build from it. Time for y'all to see what y'all gon' do about it. Big dreams keep turning, turning. I'm on the rise, yeah. Late nights, city lights, no sleep.
I've been chasing dreams and losing sleep.
Losing sleep.
But honestly, that feels like a win to me.
If I ever knew one, and I'm still here
On the grind, yeah, front line.
over time.
I've been chasing dreams and losing sleep.
Honestly,
That feels like a win.
look, don't you hear my line if you're just looking for a handout. Looking back, it's crazy how I made my own way and planned out. I don't know who's real, but I know who's just pretending. Can't be with the girl who thinks my journey hasn't ended. Nah, baby, if you're with me, can't be clout.